आडफोड्या घडणुकेच्या फाटभुंयेर शुक्रारा हणजूण दर्यादेगेवयले कर्लीज बार अँड रेस्टॉरंट सील केले. हणजूण पुलीस, तलाटी, मामलेदार तशेंच हेर सरकारी खात्यांच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी मेळून ही कारवाय केली. यान पयलीं ह्या आस्थापनांत अभिनेत्री आनी भाजपाची फुडारी सोनाली फोगट हांकां घोळी वखदां दिवपाचो आरोप जाले उपरांत ह्या आस्थापनाची चवकशी जाल्ली खंय. तशेंच CRZचे नेम पाळूंक नाशिल्ल्यान हे आस्थापन मातये भरवण करपाचे आशिल्ल्याचें कळटा. रोमियो लेन हांगा जाल्ल्या घडणुके उपरांत बेकायदेशीर दर्यादेग बांदकामां आड ही कारवाय सुरू आसा.
ॲक्च्युली ओनर हे प्रॉपर्टीचो डेव्हिड त्याच्या नावार नोटीसूच ना. डायरेक्ट येयल्यात आनी हें केला, सील केला.
Illegal, we have got bloody panchayat NOC. We have got excise license. How can it be illegal? It's a temporary structure. There's a difference between permanent structure and temporary structure. There's a difference between in a planned area and FSI allotted and an unplanned area. CRZ, we have applied to CRZ. They have not replied to us. From not now, from years. They got fire extinguishers.
The NOC is from the fire department.
Where is an open structure, man? What if I throw pretty petrol right now? People will run out, and it's all open everywhere. What fire?
Yeah, you
Have fire extinguisher here, no?
But you have fire.
But you have the fire license.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
We have it.
Yeah.
Maybe he's taken it.
Fire license, sir.
I have a fire extinguisher. They not sent me any notice. They are saying they are bringing the old case, which was some other issue, which was already completed and compliance report given. Huh? We have applied to them again for temporary structure. Panchayat, everybody, they are still bringing that old case up and sending us in chakkar.
Okay, the Sonali Fogart case.
Huh? So because of Sonali Fogart case, something happened over here. I was not involved in that.
Okay.
That time also they never sent me notice. They think this property belongs to somebody else.
The property belongs to somebody
It
else.
belongs to me now.
Is the property
From
belongs to?
1999, it belongs to me.
Okay.
Huh?
You are the owner of the
I am
property
the
now.
owner of 4211.
Now
This
what?
is a temporary structure done with all permissions. So not a pakka structure. So we are operating as a temporary structure. From 99 I have been operating a shack. Only in between I was sick, I was not here. My neighbors did something. They paid the price for that case is over.